Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these s'more cookies. So this is super simple. I wanted to have a s'more when we went to the beach, but we didn't have a place to have a fire this year. And so what I did was I took some graham crackers, I broke them in half, and then I laid them out on my baking sheet. That's going to be the bottom of the cookie. And then I added a marshmallow, just a single, like one of the larger marshmallows, not like the huge ones, but the, regular size marshmallows. You don't want the minis. I mean, you could do the minis, you just want to do a couple. And then I took some Take and Break chocolate chip cookies, and I just took one little square and I formed that over the marshmallow. You kind of have to work with it a little bit to get it to form and make like a little hat to go on the marshmallow. That's the best way I can describe it, but you have to work with it a little bit because sometimes they want to crack apart, and what you really want is like a full solid cookie hat to go on top of the marshmallow. As they cook, they'll flatten out, they'll spread out some, and that's how you get the nice like marshmallowy middle bits that you saw in that intro clip of them being finished. So just take your time with this part. And I only did 6, and then I took 1 or 2 extra squares and I just added extra cookie at the end where some of them had like broken apart, just where it was needed. And you can see like it's kind of taking me a little bit to get each one of these like situated. I left this clip it's a full like clip, there's no cuts. And I left it in regular speed so that you could see how long it took me to do this. It's not difficult. It's just it can be a little bit finicky. And the cookie is really worth it. Like these cookies were so good. I made them while I was at the beach. Because like I said, I like to have s'mores at the beach. Like when we go on vacation, that's like the perfect time for a s'more to me. But we didn't have a place to cook a s'more this year. Like there was no way to roast a marshmallow. So this is what I came up with as a way to have a s'more, but not really be a s'more. If you wanted to, you could add a little bit of extra chocolate to this, like under the marshmallow. That would probably be good, or maybe even some extra chocolate chips right on top if you wanted more chocolate, but that's up to you. So here I am just adding just a little bit of extra cookie to the top of each of these, just where it's needed, where there's like little holes. And then you just want to bake it according to the package instructions. It was about 12 minutes for me. And I sprinkled a little bit of kosher salt on the top. And these were absolutely delicious. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes. And thanks for watching.